Hey there, gorgeous! Are you ready to unlock the secrets to earning serious cash online? In today's digital age, it's easier than ever to turn your passion into profit. One exciting opportunity lies in the world of AI-powered content creation. With tools like InVideo AI, you can create stunning videos in minutes, even if you have zero tech skills. That's right, you don't need to be a tech whiz or a video editing guru to cash in on this incredible trend. Imagine this. You're sipping your morning coffee, browsing the latest news, and bam! You stumble upon a trending topic with viral potential. With InVideo AI, you can transform that hot topic into a captivating video and share it with the world. All before your second cup of coffee gets cold. Intrigued? I thought so. In the fast-paced world of online content, staying ahead of the curve is crucial. That's where trending topics come in. By creating videos around what people are already searching for, you tap into a built-in audience eager to consume your content. Think of it like riding a wave. Catch the right one and you'll be propelled to success. Take, for example, the world of viral YouTube videos. Channels like Brightside, with over 40 million subscribers, have built empires by creating engaging content around popular themes. From science facts to life hacks, they know what their audience craves and deliver it consistently. The result? Millions of views and a hefty income stream. But it's not just about entertainment. Educational content is also highly sought after, with many creators earning substantial income by sharing their knowledge. Whether you're passionate about history, science, or personal finance, there's an audience eager to learn from you. Now, you might be thinking, Marie, this all sounds amazing, but I'm not a video editor. And you know what? That's totally okay. That's where InVideo AI comes in, your secret weapon to effortless video creation. This intuitive platform takes the complexity out of video editing, allowing you to create professional-looking videos with just a few clicks. The beauty of InVideo AI lies in its simplicity. Remember those trending topics we talked about? Well, all you need is a link from Google News, YouTube, or any other platform, and InVideo AI will do the heavy lifting for you. Simply copy the link, paste it into InVideo's magical prompt box, and watch as the platform weaves its magic, transforming text into captivating visuals. It's like having a personal video editor at your fingertips, available 24/7. No more wrestling with complicated software or spending hours learning technical jargon. InVideo AI empowers you to focus on what truly matters, creating amazing content that connects with your audience. Section 4. Customization, adding your personal touch. Now, while InVideo AI does a fantastic job of creating a solid foundation for your video, it's essential to add your unique flair. Just like your personal style sets you apart, your video should reflect your brand and personality. Think of InVideo AI as your creative sidekick, providing the building blocks while you, the artist, bring your vision to life. The platform offers a plethora of customization options, allowing you to fine-tune every aspect of your video. From choosing the perfect music to adjusting the visuals, you have complete control over the final product. Want to add your voiceover? Go for it. Feel like changing the color scheme to match your brand aesthetic? No problem. And here's a little secret. A captivating voiceover can work wonders in engaging your audience. Consider using a friendly, approachable tone, just like we're chatting here. Remember, people connect with people, so let your personality shine through. Section 5. Monetization, turning views into profits. Okay, let's talk about the fun part, making money. Once you start creating fantastic videos, it's time to turn those views into cold, hard cash. The good news is that there are multiple ways to monetize your content. One popular option is through advertising revenue. As your videos gain traction and attract more viewers, you can enable ads and start earning money based on the number of impressions and clicks. Another avenue is through sponsorships, where brands pay you to feature their products or services in your videos. But it doesn't stop there. You can also explore options like Patreon, where your most loyal fans can support your work through monthly memberships or even create your online courses and digital products. The possibilities are endless. Section 6. Consistency is key building a successful channel. Now here's the thing about content creation. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Building a successful channel takes time, effort, and most importantly, consistency. Just like you wouldn't expect to see results from a workout after just one session, You need to be consistent with your video uploads to see real growth. Aim to post new content regularly, whether it's a few times a week or even daily if you can manage it. The key is to establish a schedule that works for you and stick to it as much as possible. Your audience will appreciate the predictability, and the algorithms will reward your consistency. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a thriving online business. Be patient, stay consistent, and never stop creating. Section 7. Conclusion. Embrace the future of content creation. There you have it, gorgeous. The power to create engaging video content and generate passive income is at your fingertips. With InVideo AI, you can harness the power of artificial intelligence to streamline your workflow and unlock endless creative possibilities. But remember, while technology can be a powerful tool, it's crucial to use it ethically and responsibly. Always prioritize creating original content or seek proper permissions when using external sources. Your integrity and authenticity are paramount. So what are you waiting for? Embrace the future of content creation, unleash your creativity, and watch as your online empire flourishes. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be sharing your success story with the world. You've got this.